poolside. It has a sandy beach. Abby, say hi to your friends. She can't hear me because of the music. The girls have got their drinks. They're sitting over here. I've got my drink. It's quite delicious. It's the Riviera. It's like a lava flow. Basically, yeah. Pina colada with strawberries, basically what it is. So today's a laid back day. This pool is amazing, y'all. Okay, so this poolside food is called, what was this called? Splash Nachos here at the Portofino. That is crazy. It's got chicken, cheese, sour cream, guacamole, bacon, jalapenos, black olives. There is no way I'm going to eat all of this by myself. The girls got an order to share together. I should have just shared with them. But you know what? It's going to be great. Look at Madeline or Aubrey's mac and cheese and her fries. I am loving this part of the vacation, and I will give you a room tour later. And then my husband gets in tonight, and we may go over to City Walk, and we'll show you that. So today is a laid back day, and then tomorrow we get to go to Universal for all the Harry Potter experience stuff for Aubrey, or for Courtney. So yeah, we're done with Disney, and now we are really enjoying ourselves here at the Portofino. If you're looking for a great laid back place, this is well worth the price. Now we're also on the club level, so I'll show you that as well, so you can see what that is worth, the value of that. For doing the club level. So we'll be doing that at this part of our vacation. We had a great time at Disney. Quite a few things that I was a little disappointed in their overall service and stuff like that. Food wasn't as great as I had normally had. But you know, that's all the kind of stuff we can wrap up about once we're done with the vacation. So right now, I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of my day, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Courtney is trying her plate of delicious snackeries in the club level with some Pinot Grigio wine. I have some. Here's my plate and some chicken and salad. So we're in the club level service, and we're having our, I guess it's not really dinner, it's like pre-dinner. Cheese, wine, salads and stuff like that. I have to say so far, this hotel and the experiences we're having is phenomenal. Now tomorrow morning I will show you the club service for the breakfast before we head out to the parks. But I'm very, very happy. How are you feeling about it, Courtney? Okay. Can you really tell that it tastes different than American pizza?
Oh yeah.
It's very like authentic, you think, Italian?
Oh, it's because all the ingredients look and taste fresh.
Yeah, yeah. And what's on that?
And it's not like mozzarella sauce. It's like homemade stuff.
And what's this restaurant called? Sal's Market and Deli. Is where we picked up this awesome pizza. And Aubrey was able to get herself a little Doritos and Uncrustables. So as you can tell, there was a storm that rolled in, and there was awesome opera music that was singing up above us. But we're just going to go ahead and chill out here until the storm passes, and hopefully he'll get back to singing because it was pretty awesome. Okay, so we are done with our first day at Portofino. We are so relaxed. We feel so good. That club level food was amazing, and then we went and had that pizza. That was really, really good. It's like 9:15, 9:30, but I'm ready to go to bed. We got a big day tomorrow. We start early in the morning. Courtney's gonna get to see Harry Potter. Yes. I'm so excited. What's the first thing you want to do?
Just see it.
Just see it. Okay, cool. All right, so next time we see you will be tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed today's video of us just hanging out at the Portofino. I'm telling you, this place is amazing. All right, we'll talk to you later. Peace out. Bye. Where are you? Not gonna lie, that's kind of creepy. I'm expecting the It monster, you know, like the clown with the balloon to come out of there. There's whispering, telling you to come in.
No, over here.
You hear that? Kind of creepy. Aubrey, where are you? Come on, let's go see what's over here now.
I heard him say.
You heard him talking to you?